Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to change the air filter on a Celica 1.8 T-SPORT. Now this is the 190 brake version, so I don't think there's much difference in any of them. I think it's all the same, to be honest. Anyway, so I've got the Bosch replacement one. It doesn't really matter which one you've bought. Now it's pretty simple. The air filter sits in this box just here. Now what you need to do to get in there is grab yourself a cross-headed screwdriver, and what you want to do is just loosen off these two screws here for this MAF sensor. So we'll go ahead and do that quick. So just pull this sensor out of your way for the minute, just pop it down there near the headlight. So now you've removed the sensor, what you want to do next is grab yourself a flat-headed screwdriver and loosen off this air pipe here. You should only need to do this end, to be honest, but if you do have any problems, loosen off this one over here and you can pull the whole entire pipe off, but I think you should be okay. So yeah, loosen this one off and then pull this pipe back. Right, so now you've got that pipe pulled back, what you need to do is grab your flat-headed screwdriver again, and you've got various clips. So if you just pop the screwdriver in here and just gently pull back so that clip comes off. You've got another clip over here to your left. Again, just put your screwdriver under the clip and just give it a gentle pull. And then if you move around, there should be another two clips through this gap. You can just about see one here. So if you just pop your screwdriver in there again, give that again a gentle push, and then right down the bottom, pretty much under that pipe, or near the pipe should I say, there's one sort of just there. You can just about see it. So again, just give that a bit of a push, like so. Now this box should come away, so we'll do that now. Okay, so just pop the lid at the top here out your way, so nothing's in your way. So this is the old air filter. To be honest, I haven't long bought the car. This looks fairly new, to be honest. Nothing really wrong with that, but I'm going to change it to the one I've got anyway and just keep this as a spare. Right, so grab your new air filter out of the box and simply just pop that back in here. But before you do that, just give everything a good clean out in the air box. Make sure there's no dry leaves or any debris, etc. in the box. So give that a good clean out and then pop this back in, and then just reverse the process with the clips and the air pipe.